Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where you don't have to choose between having fun and learning. You can do both. I'm Emma.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Blue, red. Blue, red. I cannot decide.
Rahul, calm down. Are you shopping again?
Yes, Emma, I have enough money for only one shirt. I can buy either the blue one or the red one, but they are both so beautiful.
Well, at least your grammar is beautiful. You used either or perfectly.
I did? I was too stressed to notice.
That is our topic for today. We talked about neither, the negative one. Now we are talking about how to use either, the positive choice.
The happy twin. Neither is grumpy. Either is full of possibilities.
Exactly. But first, before we choose a shirt, we have a choice for our listeners.
Yes, you can either subscribe to our channel or... Wait, no, there is no or. Just subscribe.
Good save, Rahul. Please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And click the like button. It's free, so you don't have to choose.
Okay, Rahul. Point 1, pronunciation. Just like neither, this word has two faces. You can say either, like see, or you can say either, like I.
Either or either.
Either one is correct. See what I did there?
You are very clever. I'll stick with either to match neither. I like to rhyme.
Point 2, the choice, either or. We use this when we have two options and we must pick one.
I can either eat a pizza or a burger, but not both, sadly.
Correct. We can go to either the park or the beach.
You can either have coffee or tea.
Perfect. Remember, neither goes with nor, either goes with or. Neither nor, either or.
Got it. N plus N equals neither. Vowels together equals either.
Point 3, agreeing with negatives. This is the tricky one. Rahul, listen carefully. I don't like waking up early.
Me neither.
Correct. That's what we learned last time. But you can also use either.
How? Me either?
Me either is very common in casual American slang, but strictly speaking, the proper sentence is, I don't like it either.
Wait, I don't either. So option A, me neither, short. Option B, I don't, verb, either, longer.
Yes, think of it like math. Neither already has the N for no. Either does not have the N, so you have to add don't or do not.
Okay, let's practice.
I don't eat rocks.
Rahul using neither, me neither. Rahul using either, I don't eat rocks either.
Brilliant. I can't fly.
I can't fly either.
I haven't seen that movie.
I haven't seen it either.
You are on fire today.
I am. I am not confused either.
Point 4, either of and either one. Imagine I offer you 2 cookies, chocolate and vanilla, and you're happy with any choice.
I'm always happy with cookies.
I ask, do you want chocolate or vanilla? If you don't care, you can say either.
It means both are good?
It means one or the other, it doesn't matter. Which seat do you want? Either one is fine.
Ah, the polite guest. Do you want to watch action or comedy? Either is fine.
Exactly. But notice the verb again. Either is fine. It's usually singular.
Okay. If I say neither, I want 0. I hate both. If I say either, I'm happy with one. Anyone. If I say both, I'm greedy and I want two.
That's the best summary I've ever heard.
I learned it from the cookies.
So, back to your shirts. Which one will you buy?
I have decided. I will buy neither the blue one nor the red one.
Why?
Because I found a green one with a dinosaur on it.
Of course you did. Let's recap before you buy the dinosaur shirt.
Let's break it down.
Either or either. Both are perfect.
Either or used for choices, either this or that.
Negative agreement. To agree with a no sentence, use me neither or I don't verb either. I don't smoke either.
The polite choice. If someone gives you two options and you're happy with any, just say either is fine.
The math. Negative plus either equals correct. I don't like it either. Double negative, I don't like it neither equals wrong.
Don't be a double negative, be positive, or be either.
Well done. Before we go, we have a choice for our listeners.
Yes, a hypothetical question. In the comments below, tell us, if you could have a superpower, would you choose either flying or invisibility?
You must choose one. Use the sentence, I would choose either.
I would choose invisibility so I can sneak into the cinema for free.
I would choose flying. No more traffic jams.
Tell us your choice in English.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. You don't have to choose between us and another channel, but we hope you choose us.
Yes, either subscribe or subscribe. Those are the only options.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Whispering, I'm going to buy the dinosaur shirt now.